Norcal, Vision Jet 3 for Papa Victor, would like to descend to 8,500.
For Papa Victor, altitude navigation is your discretion, maintain VFR.
Maintain VFR for Papa Victor.
You do 3,000.
Alright, so let's see here. Let's put the power back.
3,000.
Let's go
4,000.
to
5,000.
let's see, 4,000 feet to minute descent. Power is back.
Alright. Well,
Alright, so we are first descending to 8,500 here.
we're going
4,000
down
feet
super
per minute.
fast now.
Yeah, we don't want to go too fast. Okay.
4,000 feet per minute. Like, what is this? Like this?
Yep.
Ah, that's a lot. Well, actually, it's just like this. I just have to put my
Alright, so yeah, the speed is increasing now.
You couldn't do this in the Bristol, could you?
Nope. Yeah, power is idle and we're descending 4,000 feet per minute. Yeah, so the speed is about 210 indicated, 250 true airspeed. Yeah, we cannot go faster than 250 knots below 10,000 feet, okay? Well, it's 250 knots indicated, so there is little chance we can do that.
MCT!
No, we don't need MCT, we don't need to go too fast.
We don't need it, but what about if we want it?
Yeah, let's check the weather in Watsonville. Maybe we can receive it here. Not yet.
Watsonville Municipal Traffic, Watsonville, California. Automated weather observation 1228. Skies are clear.
Okay, we can almost get it here.
Niner. Remarks. Enter the altitude.
B029er, okay.
100.
So that's altimeter setting.
Watsonville Municipal Airport, Watsonville, California. Automated weather observation 2358 Zulu. Wind 190 at 05. Visibility 0. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point 06 Celsius. Altitude 0. Remarks. Altitude.
Are we so far that it's like hard?
Well, we are
That's why
at
it's
47
cutting out.
nautical mile.
Municipal
That's why it's
Airport,
cutting out.
Watsonville, California. Automated
Weather
weather observation 2359 Zulu. Wind 190 at 0.
190, okay. At 0 something.
Sky condition clear.
190 at 190.
Okay, so let's do a normal descent here at 4,500.
All seats must be in normal upright position, ice protection, lights, flaps.
Yeah, lights are okay, and we'll wait to be on our base turn for the flaps. So you see there is a lot
Number 7 Golf Mike,
traffic
you can
here.
cancel the altitude restriction.
But actually I should...
Number 4 Papa Victor, change to my frequency, 124.52.
12452 for Papa Victor. Okay.
4 NorCal departure, radar
124.52.
contact, turn right, direct.
Norcal, Vision Jet 3 for Papa Victor is at 4,500.
Victor, NorCal approach loud and clear, 20 altimeter 3029er. Number 7 Papa Victor,
Summer
1
flight.
o'clock and 7 miles, maneuvering 3,600 indicated, and then in the immediate vicinity of Wattsville, it looks like there's 2 in the pattern, one's at 500, one's at 1100. Your radar services are terminated, so I'll maintain VFR. Number 4 Papa Victor, have a good day.
For Papa Victor, thank you for your help, have a good day. Squawking VFR.
Number 0 Kilo Mike, contact approach
Okay,
121.3.
so, okay, I'm going to disengage the autopilot. Western traffic, Vision Jet for Papa Victor, entering left 45 for 20 on the east side of the Rivelle freeway at 2,000 feet, Watsonville. Okay, so I'm now on my base turn. I'm going to put 50% of flaps.
Watsonville traffic, flight design 0 Echo transiting the shoreline 1,500 south to north Watsonville.
Percent of flaps is 190 knots or less. If we are going faster, we cannot do it. We have to slow down first. Western traffic, Vision Jet 3 for Papa Victor is 2.5 miles, 4520. Watsonville. Then I'm going to turn here on my downwind. And I don't see any traffic here. Nope. Western traffic, Vision 4 Papa Victor, entering left, downwind 20, midfield. What's the traffic? To put 200 here.
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 1218 Sierra, passing
Okay, so now am I about the number? So about the number, I want to put the gear down. The gear down, we have to be at 200 or less than knots. And full flaps, we want to be at 150 or less. So that means we cannot put the gear down when we do a 250 knots emergency descent, okay? It would be too fast. We'll have to go less than 210.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't see, look here outside if you see anybody, but I don't see them on the scope here. I'm going to look on number 1. Oh, I'm a little slow here. Western traffic, visual 344 Papa Victor, turning left base 20, Watsonville.
Altitude.
I want to be at VRF plus 10, that means about 90 knots here, not less, so I got a little slow. Because when we have the gear down and the flaps down, there is a lot of drag. Okay, so flaps, airspeed, go to the checklist, landing gears down and lock, flaps are 100%. Cabin pressure differential is coming down. And VRF.
Minimums.
Okay, I'm on base turn now, number 1. Western traffic, Vision Jet 344 Papa Victor, turning final 20, number 1, Watsonville.
$500.
Okay, so we want to see 1 red and 1 white. Okay. Yeah, like here. So we are good here. The speed, you see the green donut, we want to be at that speed. Okay, it's about 76 knots. I always tend to be a little fast, or faster than I should. Yeah, power idle. And then we just wait for the tools down. See? Okay, I'm skipping the go-around checklist here, and let's go to the after landing. So I have to be over there before I bring the flaps up. And the reason why you should run the checklist after you stop,
Watsonville traffic, Cessna 1218 Sierra.
I'm going to tell you the reason.
Runway 20 for a left downwind departure. Watsonville traffic.
Western traffic, Vision 4 Papa Victor is clear up 20. Oh, now I'm clear. I was not clear, now I'm clear. Okay. So the reason why you have to bring the flaps up, you want to bring the flaps up? Yeah. After we land is because if you do it while you're rolling out here.
Watsonville traffic, Cub 5 Juliet Lima, free west of the field, entering on a midfield cross.
Yeah.
In some planes, probably it off, external
In some
light.
planes, yeah.
In some planes, because of the location of the flaps and the gear handle, some people have confused the gear handle with the flaps, and then they just land and then just bring the gear up. That's why it's a good practice to not mess with anything until you stop, okay?
I'm 3 miles out now.
Alright?
So even when the plane is completely off, the battery is off, the master's off, and the engine's off?
No, it will not, normally it will not come off, but no.
The gear?
But I'm saying when you land, okay? When you land, you want to be careful not to touch anything until you stop, okay? Because then when you stop, it's less likely you're going to do a mistake because you're doing one thing at a time, okay? It's when you do several things at a time that you have a possibility to make to screw up, okay? Alright, so thank you guys for being with us today. We try to get some nice footage from you guys behind the window. And see you guys next time for another rendezvous in the Vision Jet.